Good morning all of you. We are present here to make you aware some of the historical facts about our nation. What is nation? Nation where we all stay together in a country. So what is country? Country where we living. So where we are living? We are living in India. So India is our country and Bharat and Hindustan is the another name of India. Okay. Moving towards the board, as you see that I have taken one slide for the story of our nation. Okay. So moving towards what is the story, we will know it.
Okay class, good morning. Now we will, you can see here our national flag. This is our national flag, and in this you can see there are three colors. Okay, and the first one is our saffron color, then second one is white, and last is green. Okay, and each color indicates something. Each color gives some message to us. Okay, and what the saffron colors gives the message that it stands for courage. Okay, and after that there is white color. It is for peace and harmony, and the green color is for growth of our country. Okay, and after that there is a chakra over here in the middle of the white color, and it has 24 wheels. In this chakra it has 24 wheels, and these, or we can also say this chakra as Ashoka chakra. Okay.
Okay, and it is also called, the national flag is also called Tiranga. Why it is called Tiranga? Because it consists three colors, tricolors, okay, that is saffron, white and green. Moving towards the two personality, do you know him? First one is, this is our Prime Minister, that is Shri Narendra Modi, and second is our President, that is Shri Ramnath Kovind. Okay, so I want to tell you that the President hosts the national flag at the event of Independence Day, that is 15 August at Red Fort. Okay, and the President hosts the national flag at the event of 26 January, that is Republic Day at Rajpath, New Delhi. Okay, moving next slide.
Now it's a next picture, which is the picture of our national anthem. Okay, and what is our national anthem? Jana Gana Mana, and we proudly should sing this national anthem, and this national anthem is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay,
and he is a very famous person of our country. Okay, and people also call him Gurudev. Okay, the another name of Rabindranath Tagore is Gurudev.
now this is our national song, and this is our national song, and Vande Mataram, and this song is written by, it is also written by a very famous person, which whose name is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee.
Yeah, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, and he has written this national song, one of his very famous book titled as Anand Mat. This is the name of the book written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Okay.
Now you can see here, this is the map of India, our map.
Okay, so as you see, there are so many states: Ladakh, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal. These all are the states of our country. Okay, and so how many states are there in our country? There are 28 states. Okay, and how many union territories are there? There is 8 union territories. Okay, if you want to know states, you can take the example of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh, okay, West Bengal, Jharkhand, these all are states, okay, and union territories, you can take the example of Delhi. So as you know that Delhi is the capital of our country, it is the union territories, okay, understood? Moving towards River Ganga.
Now this is our national river Ganga, and this river Ganga, can you know from where this Ganga river comes? This Ganga river originates from where? This Ganga river originates from Gangotri Glacier. Okay?
Yeah, from the Himalayan region, and the mouth of River Ganga is in Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal is the part of Indian Ocean. Okay. Moving towards Himalayas.
Okay, these are our Himalayas. Okay, you can see several mountains are there. These are our Himalayan ranges, and in this very young mountains are there, and this
Okay, Himalayas, as I in River Ganga, I have taken the name of Gangotri Glacier. So it is from Himalayas, and you can see that Himalayas is the situated in the northern part of our India. Okay, so this is our Himalayas, and you have heard about the highest peak, na? The highest peak of the world is Mount Everest. Okay, and of our country, that is the highest peak of our India, that is K2, situated in Ladakh. It is located in Ladakh. Okay.
Now this is our national tree, which is banyan tree. Okay.
The oldest tree of our country. Okay.
This is our national flag, and
Yeah, you are very familiar with the name of lotus. So you have seen this flower before also. This is pink in color. Yeah, and it is mainly found in the surface of the water. Okay.
now this is our national fruit, mango. Okay, and I think many of you like this fruit, mango.
Yeah, except me, I don't like. So this is the very famous fruit of our country. Okay, and people loves eating mango. And I want to tell you the three categories, the varieties of the mango, that is Alfonso. This is the name of the mango. Okay, Alfonso, Jardalu and Dasheri. Jardalu is the mango of Bihar itself. It mainly found in Bhagalpur district. Okay, so these all are the names of mango. Okay, moving towards, can you tell me the color of mango? Yeah, sometimes it is yellow in color, sometimes it is green in color, sometimes you can found reddish type in color. Yes. Okay.
Now this is our national bird, which is peacock. Okay, this is our national bird.
Can you see the tail of the peacock, the total structure of the peacock? It is very beautiful. When you see,
Attractive also.
yeah, attractive also. When you see in front of your eyes, like it is very beautiful. I have seen. So it is, and it dance also. Okay, in rainy season.
Now this is our national animal, Bengal tiger. Okay, and this Bengal tiger is generally found where?
Yeah, lives in.
Jim Corbett National Park. Okay.
And that Jim Corbett National Park is a very large sanctuary, and it is situated in Nainital, Uttarakhand. Okay, Nainital is the place and Uttarakhand is the state. Okay.
Now this is our national aquatic animal. This is national aquatic animal, Gangetic dolphin. Okay.
Yeah, it is mainly found in River Ganga. Yeah, you have seen in the previous picture, we have shown you River Ganga. The dolphin mainly found in River Ganga. Okay, and as you can see, it is light greyish in color. Okay, and the largest and oldest sanctuary is there in Bhagalpur for dolphin. Okay.
Now you can recognize this picture. He is a father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. He is very famous person because children also know him because as the name of Bapu. Okay.
Yeah, and the man of honor, he fought for our country for freedom. Okay, and that's why his birth anniversary is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti and also named as Ahimsa Divas, because he believes in ahimsa, non-violence. Okay.
Now you can see here the picture over here. It is the picture of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay.
Yeah, as I told you, ma'am told you na, the father of the nation. This title is given by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose to Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. Okay, and he is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose is associated with Indian National Army, that is INA. Okay, and people also called him Netaji. Okay.
Now you can see here a person standing in between children. Okay, and can you name the person? This very famous person is Pandit Jawaharlal.
He is one of the most popular personalities from India to every corner of the world. Okay, and he is our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. he is standing with children because he loves children. That's why his birth anniversary is celebrated as Children's Day on 14th November, as also called as Bal Divas. Okay.
Now this is the idol lady of our country, and can you name her? Her name is Indira Gandhi. Okay.
Yeah. And she was the first female prime minister of our country. She was a very brave lady on that time. Okay.
Now, who is she? She is Pratibha Patil.
Yeah.
And she was the first president of our country.
Yeah. Female president of our country.
This is our Indian currency, which is rupee. Okay.
Yes, you are. I know that you have must confused about the symbol. Can you see this symbol? Okay. So this symbol is used in every currency. You can find this symbol in every currency. So this is our Indian rupee currency symbol, which is used in every currency, every coins. Okay. So this is the symbol. So with that we have completed all of the facts which I have told you. Okay. Thank you.